Hello friends and welcome to GATE Aptitude. Here the given problem is Hari, Geeta, Irfan and Sita are siblings. All were born on 1st January. The age difference between any two successive siblings is less than 3 years. Given that Hari's age plus Geeta's age is more than Irfan plus Sita's age. Okay. Number 2. The age difference between Geeta and Sita is 1 year. However, Geeta is not the oldest and Sita is not the youngest. There are two twins. There are no twins. There are no twins. Question: in what order they were born? Oldest first. 4 options are given. This question was asked in GATE 2010. Friends, to answer such question, let us put the 4 position. 4 persons. This is the oldest, this is the youngest. Now let us go statement wise. Hari's age plus Geeta's age is more than Irfan plus Sita's age. It means H plus G is more than I plus S. First statement. The second statement, the age difference between Geeta and Sita is 1 year. It means G minus S is equal to 1, Geeta minus Sita is equal to 1, or Sita minus Geeta is equal to 1, because age difference is 1. Either this may be the condition or this may be the condition. But if you see, there are no twins. There are no twins and age difference is less than 3 years. Here this difference is 1. It means either S and G or G and S, they will be together because there is a difference of 1 year. SG or GS, they will be together. And Sita, however, Geeta is not the oldest. Geeta is not the oldest and Sita is not the youngest. Sita is not the youngest. Now SG or GS, they will be together. Now if you see these 4 options, H, S, I, G, S and G are not together, it means option 1 is not possible. Still it can be eliminated. However, in other options, S and G, they are together, G and S, they are together, G and S, they are together. So any one option can be there. Let us analyze these 3 options. Option B, S, G, H, I. It means S is greater than G and H is greater than I. S is greater than G and H is greater than I. Here given condition is H plus G is more than I plus S. If we apply this condition here, H plus G, they can be greater than I plus S. It is quite possible depending on the age difference. G plus S can be more than I plus S. So this option is possible. Let us find out the option C. I, G, S and H. It means I is greater than G and S is greater than H. So H plus G greater than I plus S? No, this is not possible because G is smaller than I and H is smaller than S. So H plus G greater than I plus S is not possible. So option C is also not possible. Let us find out option D. I, H, S and G. It means I is greater than H and S is greater than G. Now let us write H plus G, they are smaller than I plus S, but we know H plus G greater than I plus S. It means this relationship is not possible if it is option D. So D is also not an option. So only option left is B. So answer is B. So first Sita was born, then Geeta, then Hari and then Irfan. Friends, thank you very much for watching this video. You can also follow me on Facebook. Thank you.